What up? What up? Yo, it never fucking connected. That was so weird. Oh, how was lunch? Lunch wasn't bad. I didn't yet eat anything that you're probably going to be like, oh, that was good. I had egg whites and avocado. I accidentally left the trade in and almost blew my fucking Bulenox account, by the way. Yo, what up, Cube? Dude, it's been going really good, actually. I've been getting a lot of payouts. Payouts have been flowing. That I will say. Also taking a lot more shots. A lot more shots, a lot bigger shots. And yeah. There you go. Yo, it moved around enough to make a lot of money, to be honest with you. The recent moves have been pretty big. So I left an order in and completely forgot about it. And now I don't want to call it revenge trading, but I had to go in heavier and I had to go in heavier for the move. This account was fucking green too. I lost over $1,000 by leaving an order in. Stupid mistake. What up, Jay Styles? Dude, that's honestly my favorite. I tell everybody, man. After I'm done with the NQ, I trade golds from 6:30 till about 11:30, and I usually swing trade it. Now I'm not trading the whole time. I'm looking for like one trade in that time frame from 6:30 to 11:30 at night. I'm looking to get in a trade, and I'll swing it overnight or whatever. But that's the time that I like to enter, sometime between in that window. That seems to be like my sweet spot. Seven to, yeah, almost the same. Almost the same. It just seems like a great time for gold. Dude, I used to have a trade that, you're going to be like, this is so stupid. So my trade was so at 9 o'clock, I guess, is an opening in Asia. and I used to bracket the 859 candle for golds for 8 ticks. Yeah, you could fucking play video games. Dude, I told myself if I was single, I'd have my laptop up, I'd be playing video games all night, and then once my level was hit or the setup was hit, I would just get in and I'd just leave it up. But I'd be doing some other shit all day. What up, Gold? What up, Austin? Matt! Oh, baby. Just fucking dump this thing. Just dump it. I'm going to take it off right here. Honestly, that was just me trying to get. I mean, it was a good fucking trade. That was a really good trade. Dude, we're doing pretty good, man. We just hit that short. I literally just made $500, I think, for something in this account. I made like 3 something in this account. Yo, when I got off the stream earlier, did anyone stay in that long? I was in that long. We got off the stream. We were around here. I ended up selling that long up here. That shit was crazy. That was a good fucking long. What did I make on that? I'm going to look real quick. Yo, I made 583 on that long. I was in 5 micros. See, so like, see where it says minus 624? I'm plus 583. I'm really only down $40 in this account for the day. Just watch out. The bottom orb is right here. You're probably going to get a near-term bounce. So what I'm looking for is a bounce here, back up, and then maybe we take out the lows. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? I'm just looking. Seeing what's going on. Oh, scratching my foot. I will say price action today is like, it was great early on. Man, all of this is just fucking chop. I think we're going to chop up and then down. So I got some vanilla, I got some chai tea in here for fall. It's actually not bad. It wasn't bad. Am I going to buy it again? Probably not. All right. Dude, these accounts are getting built up. Oh, shit. That's busting right through the bottom orb. Oh, man. Anybody in? Anyone riding this? I got out. I think we're going to get a little near-term bouncy. A little near-term bounce. Yo, anybody use some of my fucking... Some of my indicators on TradingView are like, boom, little scalp action. That puts me green on the day in this account. That's actually a really good setup. If you look, we came back through the bottom of the orb. And then you have an inversion on the 32nd right there. Yo, what's up, Chris? Bro, I mean, listen, you held it, dude. You felt it and you held it. You know? Awesome fucking short. I was thinking about taking it off the top. This is the bottom orb. I was thinking about taking it off of that. Man, oh man. It's definitely looking good to the up, but like I think it's going to stop somewhere around here and then go lower. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Yield up down. I don't know about you guys, but it's gray as shit by me. It looks. Is it going to rain today? It can't rain. Is it going to snow? Dude, it's getting dark at like 4:30 by me now. It's awful. No snow. Just gray. Typical New York gray day out. in the winter. See, you'd want to see a rejection somewhere around here. I have to rake leaves, dude. Yo, I didn't know you're in a house. Yo, we did get snow yesterday. Yo, when you said you were in Queens, I just assumed you were in like a high rise. I thought you were in like Astoria. Or a brownstone. There's brownstones everywhere over there. You're in Bayside? Yeah, my friend lived in Bayside. He was in one of the big apartment buildings. Oh. I think they took CPI off of it. What up, Trader King? Dude, there's a new rule that if you don't at least say hello, it's not going to let you in the duck race. Oh, dude, that's cool. Yo, I'll be honest with you, man. There was so many perks of living in an apartment when I was in an apartment, dude. No raking, no nothing, man. Tell you what's cool about Bayside is there's food all over the place. Yeah, you go on fucking Uber Eats, you can get like anything that you want ever is within reach. What's my thoughts on beta futures? I'm probably going to stay away from them. Yeah, pretty much, Cube. Yeah. Gotta say something. Dude. Gotta say something. Otherwise, you can't get in the duck race. You can't just come in and put the code in. You gotta say something. That's the rules. That's the rules. If you come in and just put the code in it without saying what's up, it doesn't let you in. Yo, man, everyone's buying houses, dude. It's crazy. Say hi or no duck race. You're out. I'm going to take a little 5-piece McNugget. Dude, what the fuck is this? Yo, bro, those 50-year mortgages, bro, what are people thinking? You can end up paying like fucking 3 times for the house. This is why I just grabbed 5 micros. 15-year car loans? The car doesn't even last 15 years. Dude, I had my truck. Yeah. Well, Cube just said that. Cube said we have 15-year car loans now. Bro, Cube's seen this without a doubt. Yo, Cube, the when you're swiping on Instagram, it's like, yo, how much did you put down? I put down $300. How many months is it for? 478 months. Yo, only $8.99 a month. And the guy selling him like a fucking Nissan Maxima from like 2000. Yeah, I'm not going to get into what the real look like and everything, but yeah, it's fucking hysterical. Yo, I don't understand how people don't look at it and be like, dude, like 50-year mortgage is crazy. The majority of people will not be around when their mortgage is done. Yo, you do. You can buy now, pay later for fast food. Yep. Who the fuck's doing that? Bro, if you gotta buy now, pay later for McDonald's, you shouldn't be getting McDonald's. Oh, this thing's gonna fucking dump. My last shot. This is my last shot at shorting this. Yo, I find it crazy that these kids are buying all this DoorDash shit. It's like their McDonald's meal is like $35. Come on, dump this. Are you not gonna fucking dump this? This is prime for a dump. Yeah, and it's cold. It's not even good. It's crazy. I'm moving my stop down. I can tell you that right now. Because if it doesn't break here, I don't like it. If it breaks up, I'm out. It's only $100 risk. It's crazy. Oh, man. I'm not in anything else, right? No, I'm not in. Yo, by the way, something that you guys should all look out for is Elite is probably going to do a Beat the Beast on Black Friday. It's probably worth doing. I don't tell you to buy an account any other time. It's just when they run Beat the Beast. I'd look out for that. Dude, Kid better learn how to start trading. Yeah. So yeah, Q. So Elite Trader Funding is a prop firm. I wouldn't get the accounts unless they offer this thing. They do a Beat the Beast challenge. And basically it's like you buy any 150K, any size account, and if you do like $2,000 in profit, you automatically pass the account. And the first month, yeah, it was awful, Viper. It was awful. I didn't do it. But the good ones are like if you get $2,000 in any size account, you pass for the day, and the first month activation fee is free. So like you go get a 150K account, and all you need is $2,000 in profit, and you pass, and you could pass in one day. I've been paid every single time. I've never not been paid, and I'm up on them. These are my accounts. So every time you get a funded account is another number. So I had about 34 accounts, but I probably had about 7 funded. So I've only paid for like, I don't know, 20 something accounts. I've taken a lot of payouts from them. Like a lot. I've had this account since July. I just keep taking payouts. Listen, would I get one and pay the normal price and go through the whole fucking thing? No. But will I do this special where they're offering? Dude, one of them was make $500, which was crazy. Enjoy your $2,000, guys. Think of me. What's up, Marie? I mean, I think I've said that before. If you just used micros, you would be fine. No live. I don't know what the deal is, Q. Yo, you know what? I haven't even thought of that. Why they haven't pushed me live. Bro, it's so crazy. Here. uh 73 days of trading. That's not including weekends. Yo, I don't understand though, Mulatto. So it's 50K for a growth, but you can get the same account for 74 on Lucid and 77 on My Funded Futures. What's the drawdown's normal, Turtle. So like you'll get a 150K that has 4,500 of drawdown, and you only need to make $2,000. Last time they did it, I passed 5 of 6 accounts, and the first month was free. So I was getting funded accounts for like $80. Free longs. Yeah, I need another. They haven't done a good one in a while. Yo, I love the post in there. Like, yo, we need to beat the beast. No. Payout's normal. You got to go to the normal amount. It's just a pass. It's just, all it is to pass. And the first month is free. It's a pretty good deal. I just figured I'd tell you guys about it. I wouldn't do anything right now. I would just wait. Man, look at this fucking price action, though. What up, scalper? Yo, I can tell you right now, if you didn't say anything in the chat, don't put the code in. It's not going to work. You got to at least say what's up. Got to at least say what's up in the chat before you put the code in. Otherwise, it's not going to let you in. It'll tell you you're in, but you're not in. Can't come in and just drop the code. Got to say what's up. What's up, Donna? More targeted people who that you never hear from ever. Yo, what up, Yosef? I like to hear from people. I like to say what's up, see what you guys are doing, how you're doing today. I'm curious on how you guys are doing. Like, I know you come in here to watch me trade, but I want to see how you guys are doing. It makes my day to hear that you had a banger trade early, or you're $1,000 away from a payout, or $500 away from freaking getting a funded account. I love hearing that shit. There you go, Tommy. Tommy, 100% green day. Here, I haven't done one of these in a while. Tommy, you just got the clap. Holy Yo, AJ Brown is requesting a trade from the Eagles. Oh, holy shit. What up, Adil? Here for the Ducks. Dude, anybody can win this year. It's pretty crazy. Anybody can win. There's not one team that I'm like, yo, this is the fucking guy. Yo, by the way, if you guys watch football, wait, try it out on My Fun the Futures core account. Absolutely love it in every way. Yo, yeah, Captain. I've been literally, I took 2 G's worth of payouts from them this week. I really like them. I don't get why more people don't use them. It's a really good season, man. Anyone could win. Yeah, this ain't the best PA, Billy. Do you realize that the Colts, the owner is now on the field and like all over the place in practice and everywhere, and now they're one of the best teams in the league? It's funny how that happens when the owner looks at everything being done. It's just like the boss at work. When the boss is all over you, all of a sudden all the work gets done. It's crazy. Probably because of 5 micros, 1 minute thing. Yo, with one of the plans, you could do more than 5 micros. Yeah, the owner's a girl. Yep. It's yep, she's the daughter of what was it, Israel or something like that, his name? Yeah. She's fucking in it. She's on everyone's ass. I think it's awesome, by the way. People, the players are liking it, the coaches are liking it. Everyone's liking it. She's in it for real, and the town is loving it too. Yeah. Yo, I saw that shit. I saw that, Steve. He was like, yo, give me this shit. Yo, they fucking went off. Bro, the Mets suck, man. The Mets paying Soto all that money, they can't even make the playoffs. The problem with Mets is like their pitching's not great. Now you have a big problem with Peter Alonso to pay him or not pay him. Bro, Steve, he even ran that shit up. It was like 4th and goal, and he fucking went for it to just score another touchdown. That guy's not playing around, man. He looks like a real player's coach, too. They like him over there. Yeah, the Mets need they need to get rid of some of these high-priced guys. So they have the highest paid right fielder and highest paid shortstop in the league. I would like to see Detroit win it, man. They're a fun team to watch. They could have won it, what was it, last year or the year before, and then everyone was hurt? I think that was last year. Bro, we're just trading back up into this range. Yeah, like they're good enough where you expect them to win a little bit, but they just awful. Oh, what up, Juan? But yeah, the Mets need to clear up some payroll and then get some young talent in there is what they really need. I mean, they're paying a lot of fucking people, man. Markets are pretty good today. I had some. I did awesome last night. I did awesome last night, and then today's not bad. My biggest mistake today was I left an order in. I lost about $1,000 in a funded account. I think this is going to go rounded, and we're going to go under. We're going to go back down or under 25,500. You know what the big thing is? A lot of people aren't buying jerseys. Like the games aren't as crowded as you think they are. Yeah, Viper. I mean, this isn't the best environment to pass. Dude, remember last April when every tick, not every tick, but every minute we were at like 25, 30 points, that you could pass fucking accounts real quick. Bro. What do I think about it? I think the activation fee is $100 and the accounts are $20. Bro, the consistency is 30%. Seems low. I don't know. I wish, the elite, which is no activation fee, is $97. You can just go get a Lucid account for $74 and save yourself $23. Like, yeah, I'd probably stay away from Legends or whatever. Not that I think it's bad. I think there's just better deals out there. I think there's like I would save $23 and get a Lucid account instead. Personally. If you think about 23 bucks, it's like saving 20% more. That's like every 5 you buy, you get a freebie. $40 PA is awesome. If they did if they did 90% off $40 PA, dude, I would just fucking YOLO accounts all day to get them all over. Ugh. I wonder if Apex is going to approve my fucking pet. Lucid has no activation fee. It's $74, no activation fee. Legends plan is actually better for larger accounts. $150. Yeah. Honestly, Cube, I know it's going to sound crazy. I am loving the no consistency rule on my funded futures. It's the easiest to get paid on. Like this is one trade, by the way. Like one good trade, and you're fucking. I can just do $100 for the next 4 days and just take money out. Dude, I'm just holding this all the way down. Yeah, like that's what I've been doing. It's just like one good trade, and now I can just flip. Yeah, it's a free trade. Whatever, free trade. This is actually even on the day. I don't know why they do that shit. Here's another one. I took a payout in this account already, and then you do 960, and now I can just flip 4 fucking days and get another $1,000 payout. It's so crazy. You know what I realized? trying to think real fast. Oh. Yeah, well, just there's going to be a ton of deals coming out in about 2 weeks from now. Just an FYI. A ton of deals are going to be coming out. You got Black Friday coming up, and that's when all the deals start rolling out. Oh, man. This shit's just choppy. Let me go back to this account. What's weird is, see how it says minus? Because that's what I did in there. And then you go to MNQ. And now it's plus 583. It's so stupid that they don't combine it. Because technically I'm up like $20 today. Yo, 91% with Bulenox should probably come back also. What is it now anyways? 75? Yeah, they need to bring back the 91%. I think Black Friday they're going to bring back the 91%. Everyone's going to be rolling out deals. If you didn't know, that's a great time to pick up a lot of accounts. The biggest thing that you got to look out for is that, like, say it's 90%, you want to make sure it rebills at 90%. Otherwise, you got to be sure to cancel it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to pay and then it rebills at like a super high amount and then you forgot to take it off. So just remember that. This is right at the orb. Just let it fucking go, man. Just dump it. Dump it for Diddy. Come on. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Dump it. Bro, imagine we just have a flash crash. Oh, chop, 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 chop. Yo, it is super choppy. You need it to stay under here and then dump is what you need. No cove, don't short. It's a long. Bro, I think you owe me an account from yesterday telling me it's a short, and then we went long. I think you blew my account. More like a flash rip. Yo, code. That was him. Yo, I went long. I went long 10 minis. You owe me an account again. The account just went bye-bye. I need dollars, dollars, dollars is what I need. Hey, hey. Yo, I need ED pills. Yo, just fucking let it go. It's gonna go upsies. I mean, I'm at even, so we'll see. I got nothing to lose at this point. I got nothing to lose. I think it was either going to dump. Hey, Ko, Siddharth here. You easily pass a 50K account in one day, bro. I go very impressed. Dude, that's awesome, man. Congrats. Congrats, dude. I like seeing people do good. Boom, boom. Dude, my brother's in the Zcash shit. It doesn't stop going. He just Zcashes me all day. Zcash. It's going to go down for real, up MOC, and back down on the drift. I hope so. I might take another shot here. All right, this is my last shot. I've been break even enough. I do think it's going to go down. I'm just fucking... I think it's going to eventually go down to like 3. Oh, why is this drawing on? I think we're going to go all the way down to 231 eventually. I think if they could bring it down here, you're going to fill this new week opening gap. I think I got this. I just got stopped out on, but I do think we're going to end up going down. I missed out on gold. See, this is pretty much even. I lost this by just leaving an order in like a fucking idiot. Oh. Just got. Yo, you know what we didn't play today? We didn't play numbers game. Dude, you owe me an account from yesterday. Gold was nuts. Yeah. I still think we're going to go down. Nah, we'll duck race. Numbers guy goes into the finals. You guys want to do the numbers game forever? We haven't done one in a while. We'll do it real fast. Why this fucking market? If you don't know the numbers game, 1 through 100, guess as many times as you want. Ready, set, go. What up, Lee? Holy shit. I'm going to have to keep up with this. Oh, man. It's 50 to 100, by the way. I give out clues now. It's 75 to 100. Oh, somebody just got it. It's 99. I got to see who got it. I have no idea. Bro. Yo, this has never happened before. Bro. Yo, well, check this out. So Scalper gets it, but he does 199. Then Austin does 99.7. I don't know why he does 99.7. And then Yosef is the first person that does 99. Yo, Austin, I'm looking at it, dude. You did 997. It's right here, 997. Dude, I don't lie. I don't lie. I show it all. Yeah, Yosef got it. Now that we know the rules, I told the rules. We'll do it again tomorrow. We'll do it again tomorrow. But yeah. The rules. Yo, what are the odds that two people do that? It's crazy. It's crazy sauce. Usually it's like one person, but two people? What happened to Twitter post gifts, bro? I have no idea what you're talking about. What happened to Twitter post gifts? What happened to the Twitter posts? Hold on. I just need to I just had to shut my freaking space heater off. What happened to Twitter posts? I don't actually know. Dude, oh my god. I forgot that I forgot I put this short in. I would have been in this down 25 points. Oh, I'm so glad that didn't hit. Yeah, that's given away on Friday. On Friday, the winner's going to be chosen. You got to be on the stream on Friday. If you're not on the stream on Friday, when we pull it, I pull a new winner. Dude, I think it literally says winner's going to be pulled on Friday. Afternoon stream. We're going to pull it at 4, I don't know, 10 after 4. Sometime between 4 and 4:30. You got to be on when I announce the winner. If you're not here when I announce the winner, then I pull the next person who can message me. I'm not going to go chase people to give them a free account. So you got to be on the stream. Yo, some guy won it last week and he never followed me. Remember that? So he didn't win it? Got to follow the fucking rules, people. Yo, that shit was crazy. He won it and didn't follow the rules. Yep. Dude, that was crazy that happened to him. What are the odds? Bro, he did whammy himself. Dude, that was so stupid. It was like all you had to do was hit the button to follow. Yo. So ridiculous. I forget who it was, too. Not financial advice. Run the duck soon. Yeah, I am gonna run it soon, Captain. Oh, I need 6 points, bro. This price action is a fucking disaster. Give me dollars. Give me dollars. Make me holla. Yeah. Who wants dollars? They need to understand why it's ran at 420. Yo, you know what's funny though? Like that's a coincidence, but I like to like the market ends. You could play the drifts. You can settle down. People can ask questions. Like everybody just wants to be like, all right, market end, run it. Like no, like the idea of the channel is for people to learn. So when the market ends, it's a great time for people to ask questions. Oh, Captain Price. Yeah. Captain Price has been around for a while. He actually wrote in, I'm the captain now. Oh, got to say what's up in the chat before you put the code in. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Yo, Captain Crunch, is that you on fucking Twitter that's selling options, or is that a different Captain Crunch? I meant to ask you. Somebody else, some guy named Captain Crunch. I was like, is that you? Captain Crunch cereal rubs the roof of your mouth and the back of your throat, and you like how it feels. I meant that cereal can go to hell. I haven't had it in ages. Holy shit. Bro, this thing just ran all the way back up to the fucking top. I'm just going to go back to fucking... We're going back to NQ here. This is going to be a make or break it. If it goes over WAP and closes at 700s, government reopens. Is WAP the line? Should I just call it WAP going forward? Dude, I can't believe this thing hit the fucking top. That's crazy. Bro, this is definitely danger zone. Long NQ, short gold. Oh, fuck me, man. I didn't realize I was in minis. You shouldn't take anybody's advice, Mission. You should do your own research. Why would you not do your own research? I'm just scalping this shit. You're going to buy it? People are lazy to do their own research, pretty much. Apparently he is. He seems like he has a bad taste in his mouth from listening to other people and other things. Taste is still lingering. Oh, man. Don't worry. I've only gotten, I don't know, fucking 10 payouts this month already. Is there any reason why my trading view is about... Matthew, do you have a paid version? There's no ads. YouTube's not paying me shit. Bro, if you knew how many people... We'll just say I give away accounts, people that don't even win. I've given out accounts to. Yo, your trial might be up or delayed. you should contact them, or you might have to buy the actual plan. If you're going to buy the plan, Matthew, wait until Black Friday. They run like some massive deal. They run all trading software runs massive deals on Black Friday. So don't buy any, like if you don't have TradingView, don't buy it now. Oh, you have to pay the CMA to be live on TradingView? Yeah. So I pay that extra. I think it's like $5 a month. It's like an extra fee. I think it's like $5 a month to get futures data on TradingView. 90% of trading YouTubers cannot effectively trade well in personal accounts. Have you collected the data? I want to see the data. I want to see how many. I want you to list every single channel you've looked at, and I want you to get all of it. Otherwise, you have not done any research. And if you say you looked at 5 channels, that's not a high sample size. You'd have to look at least 100 channels and actually get a real sample size. True story. Yeah. Oh, it's $7. Yeah, it's something like that. I paid $20 a month, and I think I got like the highest one. If you're trying to use stochastics for scalping, the best way to do it, is that 4 thing, the 4 different stochastics. What's up, Carolina? No. Yeah, I mean, that's the way I would set it up if you were to do it. If you were to use it, that's the way I would do it. Now, listen, would I do it that way? I probably wouldn't. Honestly, I wasn't a big fan of it. And here's the reason why. You can ride overbought or oversold levels for a while before it turns. So you would almost use that while also adding using micros. So like you would get in with 2 micros. And if it kept going down, you would effectively add micros. It would be like a DCAing strategy off of the 4 stochastics. I haven't heard back from anybody. You know who I haven't heard back from? Gabe. Gabe hasn't come back. Bro, none of these guys come back, dude. None of these guys come back. So weird. I've been very cautious with trades that I've taken today in Apex. I'm kind of testing out if I only trade less trades and no scalps. And this is how my day went. He got 10 payouts because he has access. Show me your 10 payouts, dude. He cannot duplicate it on his own strategy's personal account. What's funny is I trade a personal account. So once again, you're a fucking moron. Oh, imagine having nothing better to do than hop on and try to show somebody that they can't trade, but yet they've been doing this for so many fucking years that you're completely wrong. Dude, I trade my own personal account. Show me your personal account. I want to see any account of yours. Show me any of your. Show me a fucking sim account of yours, Mission. Let me see how you're trading. You have to show me how you're trading. Here, you can show me right here. You could post it so we can all see how good you are. Give me your excuse. Tell me why you can't. Show me why you can't. Bro, he definitely lost today. He blew up today. Yo, your accounts definitely don't look like this today. Yo, the delay is only 5 seconds, Austin. It's on low latency. It's only 5 seconds. If you're delayed by more than 5 seconds, hit the refresh button. Dude, I barely blow accounts, so I don't. If you're blowing accounts, most likely you're oversizing. You're not following a strategy, and you know you're not, and you're just rage trading. That's the truth. I don't know. He's a fucking loser. Yo, if your next message isn't something funny, at least be a troll that's funny. If you're not a troll that's funny, you're gone. You got to come up with something amusing right now. You're 78. Send me a picture of your hot daughter or something to stay in here. Say something funny. Make sure you use code CoveTrader, Mission. Dude, there's trolls. They just go from channel to channel. I don't know what they want. Do you use micros on 50K accounts? Yes. I'll rotate micros and minis. Depending on, so I don't look at the ATR, but like let's just say the ATR is high and we're like super volatile. I'm using like 3 micros. That's fine. That's fine, Savan. I'm 42. I take that. Yo, he failed the mission. He definitely did. But like you get a day that's like this, where you're not moving a lot, then you kind of got to go maybe 7 micros or a mini. I don't know. People are fucking weird, man. I don't know. I'm almost at another payout with this account. Actually, you can just look. This account is $550 from a payout, $550 from a payout, $450 from a payout. This one I've gotten a payout from already, and I just did, I think I did 3 or 4 trading days. So I could probably request another payout soon, and I can just flip. Just got a payout from these 2 accounts, and I'm already building. The buffer's 155, so I'm already 1,500 over the buffer on this. I'm already 500 over the buffer on this. So I'm just building these up for larger payouts. This one's almost at a payout. I'm fucking $400 away from a payout in this account. It's a lot of accounts to be right there for payouts. This account, I have to see what the deal is. But I basically locked myself in for another 1,000 payout on this account. Same with this. I can just milk this for $100 a day and take out $1,000. I can milk this for $100 a day and take out $1,000. I mean, I'll be honest with you. You don't do this if you're not following like I tell everybody. The only time you blow accounts is when you're not following strategies. Think about it. When's the last time you blew an account? When you followed your strategy, you were sizing appropriately, and you waited for the good setup. Like this account that's doing shit today, I left an order in that cost me $1,000. So now I'm kind of annoyed about it. And it's people don't even realize, like, I've made people personalized videos that ask for help. I've sent people accounts who ask for help. And I don't even put it out there. I just do it. I try to help everybody here. And if you're trading and you actually like need help or have questions, you should be asking in the Discord. I get back to everybody. Just ask. More questions you ask, the more likely you're going to be fucking profitable. A lot of times I trade one. Not when it comes to Apex, I'll trade like 3 accounts at a time, Austin. I use Replicanto. I shut it down for the day, but yeah, I use Replicanto. That's the only way I can get through all the Apex accounts. Damn, they just popped this. Holy shit. I should have taken MOC to the upside too. I definitely dropped the ball on that. Oh, jeez. Fucked up.
Where's my computer?
I'm probably going to hit. I'm going to try hitting the drift here. Yeah, I just like hanging out with everybody, man. I met a lot of good people. I met a lot of good people. Dude, are they going to just run this shit into... Yo, if you like gold, gold is holding this 1 hour FVG at 4,200. That's not a terrible spot to take a long off gold, even though it's already up here. I never hear good things. I only hear fucking... Exactly, Steven. All it takes is 1 day, and you can blow your account. All it takes is 1 day. You can build. You do 1 day of just not following your rules, you could definitely blow it. To take payouts, it depends on the account. If the account is an end of day account, I will try to get in with like a mini, get to break even, and then sit at break even and let the trade move for a sizable move. That's what I did yesterday. Last night I got in somewhere around here. No. Where did I get in? Maybe I got in somewhere around here. It was breaking out of this hourly flag, and I literally got up. I targeted up here. I posted it in the Discord. I got long, and I basically got this big candle. I went to break even, and then I just let it go. Yeah, it was definitely solid. I'm going to see what we do right at the end of the day. Because I need dollars, dollars, dollars is what I need. Hey, hey, hey. So tomorrow we're going to probably do, I'm probably going to end up doing poker tomorrow. I got to get the exact time and everything. Need to get the exact time. Dude, shorts are getting smoked here. I kind of want to grab a micro in gold. Kind of want to grab a gold micro. It's so funny though, because you'll get gains, and it's just you can lose it so fast just by doing stupid shit. You know why? One stupid thing becomes another, and then you start sizing up. So then one stupid trade is actually the size of like 3 or 4 normal trades, and it just goes quick, especially with like trailing drawdown. Yeah. I mean, listen, you know you're doing shit that you shouldn't be doing when you're hitting the button. Everyone knows they're doing shit they shouldn't be doing. So this just came down and is hitting the 50. I'm going to take this right here, by the way. So this just bounced off the 200, plus you had 600. I almost want to just take this, by the way. I should have taken my $70. We got 3 minutes left of the day. I should have taken my $70. Let's be real. Whatever. I just take my money. Yeah, you got to be out at 5 p.m. on TPT. I want to see a bounce here. Fuck it. I wouldn't respect myself in the morning if I didn't take this. I want to see it bounce for 2 minutes. up here and then close and dump. Yeah, on everything, Matthew. I don't know if I'm going to take this drift. We just dumped a ton. Definitely got to pull out on time. Yeah. Come on. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, and then dump it. Bounce it up to here, and then I'm going to look at that shit. Come on. Keep it going. Keep pushing it. 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 This is so dangerous. Come on. Get below 24. Get below 24. I would take that trade again, to be honest with you. I'll show you why. Oh, is it going to do it? I would still take that trade again. Literally, we ran all the way up. We came up to the top of the, which is the bottom of the opening range. The bottom of the opening range. I was looking for a rejection. It might reject right here. I got stopped out. Oh, motherfucker. Fuck. There you go. I just got a bad entry, I guess. I actually like that a lot. Look at that shit. It's not bad luck. I got a shit entry piano. I should have tried getting in closer to this blue line, and it would have paid. The setup was great. You literally ran. You basically ran to the top. I don't know. I should have risked. Honestly, I should have risked the whole account. I should have risked and put no. I should have done no stop. Should have got in somewhere around like 32 to 35, and I should have done no stop. I would have gotten $400. That's why I was saying the setup's there. Yeah, I had two minis though. I was trying not to fucking risk it all, but I should have. I should have. That's my fault. I think I got in at like 32 also. Could have easily gotten 10 points, $400. Would have been like an $800 swing. Just want to make sure I'm not in any. Make sure I'm not in any fucking contracts or anything before the day is done. Here's my TPT for the day. Here's my fucking TPT for the day. And then I have my funded futures on Tradeify. I passed one eval. I made 1455, but I passed. It doesn't matter how much you make. It's just a past eval. Dude, that's so annoying to me. When can you start trading? As soon as it opens. You can start trading as soon as it opens at 6 o'clock. You just can't hold it until 5 p.m. I honestly, take profit trader, I just close at the end of the day. I would just be out. Yeah, Carolina. What is my moving average setting at? So this one is the 9. This is the 34. This is the 50. And then this red line is the 105, which is the 21 on the 5. And then here's your 200. Yo, Captain. It wakes up my wife and her boyfriend. You somehow blew it, even though I don't know how you blew it. What just happened? I don't even know. Dude, I'm not going to be up for London, man. That's too soon. That's too early for me. London? Yeah, I'm out on London. Bro, government reopening would be wild. It's going to happen, obviously. Do I go live in the morning? Yeah, I go live at 10:30. I go live. Before that, I'm in the Discord talking shit. Yep. I'm in the Discord at 8 in the morning. No, yo, Matthew, no. So gold, if you play minis in gold, it's $10 every 10 cents, which is a tick. So there's 10 ticks to $1. Every dollar is worth $100, right? Or is it $20? I think it's $10. Hold on. Somebody knows. Yeah, so it's $100. Yeah, I was right. So it's $10 a tick. Yo, your money can go really fucking fast playing minis in gold. It's got to let you in. Everyone is all right, let me see. Here's the link to Discord. That's the Discord link. Yeah, I would go micros personally. I'd probably play like 3 micros. Especially now, gold is moving around dollars at a time. Just like $4 up, $4 down. Like you could easily blow an account. Unless you're playing with some eval. Unless you're playing an eval, then it's less. But gold is really good. Gold's one of those things that when you start playing gold, you're going to make money and you're going to be like, gold is awesome. And then all of a sudden you just realize that you're sitting in your boxers and you got nothing left. And you're like, what? Gold took it all. My wallet's gone. You wake up, all of a sudden your wallet's gone. Your jewelry is gone. You know, your fucking TV's off the wall. Fucking your PlayStation 5 is gone. You know, the copper pipes in your walls are gone. And you're just sitting there in a fucking room and the walls are destroyed. And you're like, what just happened? And somebody comes in the door and they're like, yo, I got to whisper you the secret. And you're like, what? And they're like, gold took it all. Yo, Asian girl, come on. Yo, gold will wipe you out. Gold will wipe you out. CPI is not tomorrow. Yo, gold's wild. Gold is fucking wild, man. Sounds like a heroin addict. Dude, you always win your first trade with gold. Like, I'll go play gold right now and I'll win it. I'll be like, yo, gold's fucking awesome. I'm playing gold. Yeah. And then all of a sudden, gold just beats you down. And you're like, what the fuck just happened? Anybody got any questions about trades? Trades that we took today? Bob1234. Are you in the Discord or did you just message me? Bob1234. Did you message in the Discord? I don't see that you I don't see that you messaged me. There's a lot of Cove traders in here, by the way. Just message in the main chat. Austin, just message in the main chat. Yeah, I don't see. Oh, now I see it. Okay, now I see it, Bob. Yo, just go to the link I sent you. You go right into the Discord. It's free. I just sent you the link. Feel free to invite your neighbor in there, your dog walker, grandma, or bingo friends. Yo, with the BBL. Dude, I saw. I'm not even going to get into BBLs right now. We can't get into BBLs right now. We'll just say I was in Mexico and my brother's friend's girlfriend had one, and I was just like, there was too much. It's too much for me. All right, I'm just making sure you got in because you're saying you couldn't get in. Dude, it was just too much. Like, it was just too much. Just way too much. Like, the guy doing the work should have been like, yo, this is too much. All right. I'll set up the ducks now. Enough of this. Anybody got any actual trading questions? Trading view, prop firm, strategies, anything. Now is the time to ask. Put the question in the chat while I set up the ducks. Oh, baby. Can I get all? I think I. No, I'm not going to be able to do all. All right. So we're going to do 2 dock races. We'll do 2 dock races, and then the winners will all play. I was just looking. All right. What up? What up? So, anyways, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Also, you got to smash that little bell button. Otherwise, YouTube will never. Bell button's down here somewhere, right there. Otherwise, YouTube doesn't let you know when I'm live. Discord is free. I put the link in the chat. The link is also in the description of this video if you want to come hang out. I think I'm going to do poker tournament tomorrow. Poker tournament's free. You can win accounts. We can have some fun. What up, FX? And then, yeah, if you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. Other than that, big deal is going to come in about 2 weeks. Black Friday is going to be big deal time. I will set the timer a little bit longer so everyone gets to see their ducks. If we do the poker tournament, it's going to be at 8 o'clock. Quack, quack. I thought overall today was pretty good, to be honest with you. Who do we got? Who do we got? Jesse Latta? I didn't see Jesse in the chat. Dude, Jesse, you're going to have to say what's up next time. Yo, Marie's husband won. Nathan. Where are you? I don't know. Were you on the chat during the day and put the code in when it was open? If it wasn't open, then it didn't let you in. You have to be on the chat when it's open. What up, Nathan? It's all automated. I'm not manually doing it. All automated. It's so simple. You just got to be on the chat during the day, put the code in when it opens, and you automatically get added. It's super simple. I'm not typing names out. Quack, quack. Dude, I think I'm going to bring back Ball Sack Wednesdays. Quackity quack. Dan Henderson, can you hold? Dan. Whoa. Texas Tommy sliding up. Texas Tommy. Texas Tommy, you in here? Boom, he's in here. We need a good race. What are we going to do? I know what we're going to do. I know exactly what we're going to do. Oh, no. I got to fucking hold on. I'm just editing this real fast. There we go. Let's see what we got. Damn. What up, Hung? Never won again? How are you on the stream? I think I've only seen you a handful of times. Got to be on the stream. The more you're on the stream, more chances. You get more entries. We open it up through the day. Oh, Nathan. Hanging low, Nathan. Tommy. Bounce it. Tommy. Oh, shit. Yosef. I have a question. So I'm going to be working a lot during New York session. What other session would be good? I'll be honest with you. I get some pretty good swings in Asia where I'll hold from like last night. I got into a trade at 8 o'clock, 8 to 9:30, I think it was. Banger trade. You got to remember to use the same things, like argument's sake, like last night. I'll show you. This is the hourly chart. There's a nice hourly flag right here, right? We start to break that to the upside. Like I take this to the upside and target the top here, over here. You use the same concepts, but when you're trading Asia or London, I like to back out to the hourly chart and not the minute chart. I go to the minute to look for an entry, but I am playing off of the hourly chart, which means I'm going to play normally less size because I'm going to let it move around. So instead of like a mini, sometimes I play like 5 micros or 3 micros, and I know my stop is going to be bigger. I've never done the 2-hour orb to keep it real. Yo, send me an email, Yosef. I never done the 2-hour orb, so I can't say what to do or whatever. But I will say I get some really good trades there. People trade London, but that's for me. That is, 3 a.m. I'm sleeping. There is movement overnight, but you're going to have to hold. And that's another reason why I go down to micros. Like I got in this hourly chart. Say I got in at 664. My stop, I had a 35-point stop. You can't, I don't want to do that with minis. So I would just say that you should get, you should play micros small amount. I would start off with one micro. Start off one micro and just see how you like it at night. I use the same concepts that I do during the day, but I'm looking at it on the bigger time frames. I go 1 hour, 4 hour mostly. What up, Fred? For the US Open, for New York, I use 15-minute orb and hour, the first hour. I find that does me the best. $15 an hour. Oh my God. Yeah. I mean, I'll be honest with you. If you catch a runner, Steven, on the higher time frames, dude, you might hold that through the whole fucking day. Also, if you're trading Asia and stuff, I would almost say to use end-of-day accounts. So what you could do is, argument's sake, like say you're going to have a large stop, right? So say you catch the bottom where like you catch this and your stop is here and then you get to move your stop up. End of day account, you can just leave your stop and you don't have to worry about trailing drawdowns. You can just let it move around for the day while you're working and you don't have to worry about it. Trailing isn't bad if you're around because you can move your stops up and stuff like that. And then once you're over the buffer, it's a static account anyways. You kind of know what I'm saying? That's what my setup would be. I would be doing micros with an end of day account. Yeah, like Texas Tommy held one all day. You could definitely hold it all day. For any of you guys that didn't see, this is the giveaway for 3. We're doing 3 Take Profit Trader accounts. Yeah. Any other questions? Anybody? Questions? I thought overall today I actually made a lot of money from last night until today. The only accounts I had trouble in was this one where I left an order and that cost me $1,000. This is actually up $20 because someone's going to say, how is that up? When you switch to micros, you can see I was up 583. And then when you go back to minis, when I go back to just minis, so I was actually up $20 in that account. These are all funded. 1,500 in that funded, 960. These are all funded. This funded ate the dust on something stupid. I was down a bunch anyways, but stupid. This one's almost out of payout. And then these are all pretty much up on the day. Actually, I didn't realize how much money I was up in these. CPI, I think they canceled CPI. It's not, the government's not open yet. I wonder if they're going to release all the old CPI reports or they're just going to start from their most recent and the other ones just don't exist anymore. Like you're not going to release any of the ones that we missed and you're just going to flat out release. You're just going to release the newest one. I don't know what they're going to do. It's going to be interesting. I'm kind of curious on how they do it. I can't wait till non-farm payroll and CPI are back. I mean, it gives you an opportunity to, they should do it the day after Black Friday on Monday. So after you get all your accounts, you can just fucking YOLO them, the cheapies on CPI or non-farm payroll. I'm just canceling my shit. I ended up losing $1,200 in my personal account today, which is not bad with how the market was. I'm not sweating it. Not sweating it one bit. They got to do something. I think once they start releasing this data, it's not going to be great, to be honest. I don't think we just see a new high. Like, I just don't see us going all the way back up to new highs. I think it's going to look something like this, where we're going to bounce into this fair value gap on the daily, and then we're going to drop. Yeah, I'm not worried, Code. 1,200 is like, I'm not worried one bit. That's what I think we're going to do, is something like that. We're going to bounce a little bit more. I will say, though, it doesn't look great when you trade back into this inverted FVG and then come out. So I don't know. We were super close of testing it today. The real tell would be if we dropped and inverted this little guy, which means we got below 343. I would say we get below 343, you're probably going to be shooting for this wick low, at least. If we break that, you probably get month lows. Mine was pretty good. I stacked. The only accounts I had trouble with was this one and this. And this was something, I don't even really know what happened there. But other than that, I actually stacked a lot of money in my funded accounts. I mean, this one alone is, look, 700, 1,000, another 1,000, 500, another 138. These are both over the buffer for payouts in payout land. Just keep building them. These are almost at payouts. This one I took a payout in already, and I'm already over for another 682. Super close to payouts in these three accounts. Another max payout coming. Things are going good, man. I'll be honest with you. The strategy just works if you just follow the strategy. Yo, bingo tonight. Passed one eval and TPT. That's awesome. TPTs are the best. Was down 700 in my TPT Pro account and managed to finish green. Dude, that's huge. Those Pro accounts are money that you can just request daily. I like them the best out of all of them. I will say, though, I'm starting to really like these My Funded Future accounts. But the daily payout on TPT is definitely nice. By the way, a lot of shit going on in the Discord. I got to catch up on all of it. There you go. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. You'll get approved probably tomorrow morning or something. How many TPT accounts do I have? I have one right now. I had more, and I took a fucking. I'll tell you exactly what I did, because it would have been it would have been amazing. I'm going to show you exactly what happened fucking yesterday and where it blew. I went short. I went heavy short right here. Where is it? Dude, I went heavy short somewhere in here. And I ended up blowing it literally like at this fucking wick. I blew it. I got short somewhere around here. I got wicked out and I blew a TPT account. And then it would have dropped. Dude, I would have gotten 70 points and it was on 2 or 3 minis I was playing. I think I packed in 3 minis. Where's Sean C? He had a personal thing to do today. But yeah, I got wicked out. And I told myself I was going to risk the account. Yeah, 2 minis would have paid. 2 minis would have paid me a lot, a couple thousand. The thing that I went for was I just went for it. I told myself I'm going to go for it. And that's it. You know, like sometimes you just got to take a shot. I took a shot. And after I took a shot, I said, you know what? I probably should have only done 2 minis to let it move around. And I was right. I thought we were going to see 25,500. Hey, man, I'm honest. I took a shot and everything I saw was right, except I didn't expect them to pump it. I didn't expect them to pump it on me. It was still worth it. I think the shot was still worth it. I ended up shorting it with other accounts and making money on the downside, just not in that account. It happens. Listen, if you don't take shots, you're never going to get a payout. I was looking at that earlier today. I was talking about that. The gap is down right here. 319-ish. 319-ish. Oh, man. Sometimes you just over-lever. I probably shouldn't have over-levered. The biggest problem that happened to me out of that piano was probably I went in the money a little bit. And because this trailing drawdown, it hurt me with that aspect because I got in the money and then that gives me less drawdown to the downside. And that's what got me. If it was an end of day account, I probably would have been fine. So it is what it is. It was a brand new account. It was a brand new account. But when it went in the money, you know, I think it went in the money like 10, 15 points, which means I got 10 or 15 points less of drawdown. You know what I'm saying? Because the account went up. Yeah, I think I got in somewhere over here and it went down like 20 points. Yeah, it probably went down 20 points. So 20 points in 3 contracts is $1,200. So even when it goes back to normal, I'm down to $1,200. I only got 800 left. Or maybe I was in one and then I added on the way up here and then I added. I forget, but I knew it was going to go short and I just added, over levered. Listen, I over levered on on the account. I know what happened. It was a shot. I knew it was going to go down and I just was looking for a big fucking payout. I was looking to take it from brand new to a payout in one day. And I'm jumping off. If you got any questions, come in the live stream tomorrow and ask. Come in the Discord and ask. I'm always around. But I am jumping off. I'm gonna go see what I'm gonna go cook dinner for my kids actually right now. So I'm making raviolis tonight. So I'm gonna go do that. And then that's pretty much it. So hope you guys did well today, and I'll see you tomorrow or tonight in the Discord. All right. Peace.